Let me show you how you guys can use Notion on iPad. Well, to use Notion, you need to download it first. So open up App Store, and on your App Store first, you just want to search for Notion so you can download it. So I'm going to click on search at the bottom right corner, and I will just search for Notion. Once I search for it, I'm just going to download it. Well, in my case, it's already downloaded over here, Notion Tasks and AI. So it says open over here. In your screen, it's going to show you download. So just download or click and get. Once it's installed, Notion is going to pop up on your screen like this over here. You guys can see it. So you can open it. Once you open it, you can start using it. So yeah, so this is the basic of how to use Notion. Now, once you open Notion, if you have any question, always click on Notion AI at the left corner. And you can always ask AI over here, whatever question you have, whatever confusion. This is the basics of using Notion because there's thousands of functions in Notion. I cannot go through each and every single one. This AI will know. So open Notion, log in into your account and click on Notion AI and ask anything you want. This is the main thing you need to know on how to use Notion. Everything else you can just ask from it and start to learn it. Hope you understand. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.